Good afternoon. My name is Jim Jensen. I'm the senior category owner for our PTZ products, and we're here at NAB New York. And this particular NAB New York is very, very exciting for us because we're introducing some new products. One within our PTZ lineup is our AWUE 160. And this now brings us to offer a total of 21 different PTZs throughout our lineup. So just a vast number of PTZs, all with their different feature sets and also price points to fit all different type of budgets. And when you look at our lineup, we have a Pro Series, a Premium Series, and our Platinum Series. And our Platinum Series is our very high-end series. So the AWUE 160 is an addition to our Platinum Series. Now, there's a lot of things that make the UE 160 really a groundbreaking PTZ in the industry as a whole. For instance, the AWUE 160 has a newly developed 4K 1-inch sensor. And this newly developed sensor allows us to achieve a very high sensitivity rating. In fact, it allows us to achieve up to an F14 at 2000 lux. So for those customers in very challenging lighting conditions, they could use this PTZ with confidence. Also, not only is the sensitivity really awesome on the UE 160, it also has a built-in optical low-pass filter. For those applications, when you're using a PTZ or any camera and there's an LED wall being used as the backdrop, there's this phenomenon called moire. And moire really creates havoc on a camera, and there's a lot of things that contribute to the moire. It could be the dot pitch of the LED wall, it could be the lighting, camera angle, focal length. And the thing with moire, you can't fix it in post-production. Well, the AWUE 160 has the optical low-pass filter built in. This allows us to mitigate any moire you may experience on set. So this is really revolutionary, and as far as I know, the only PTZ on the market today that will allow this particular feature set to be used. It's built into the AWUE 160. So outstanding picture quality with a newly developed 4K sensor, high sensitivity, and an optical low-pass filter. This new PTZ really excels when it comes to the quality of picture. Now, the other thing that's really neat about the UE 160 is the motion performance on the UE 160 is the best we've ever had in our lineup and really revolutionizes the industry as a whole. We've completely redeveloped the motion performance. And so what this allows us to do is really give us the opportunity to have the smoothest PTZ on the marketplace with reduced backlash as well as pinpoint accuracy on the presets of the PTZs. So this is really something that we're very happy on our highest level of PTZ. In addition, we've done some other improvements, especially for studio. So on the AWUE 160, you'll notice that there is a tally not only in the front, but a large tally in the back of the PTZ as well. So this is great for studio work for those working behind the camera. In addition, we have XLR inputs. You can see two of them there on the back of the PTZ. So you can literally plug in directly your microphones. And by the way, they have 48-volt phantom power, so you can plug directly into the PTZ. In addition, we improved the audio quality offering going into the PTZ. We now can offer 256 kilobits per second versus the typical 128 that everyone else offers. So the audio has been improved vastly on the UE 160. Also, you'll notice that we have two 3G SDI outputs allowing us to do return video. This, again, is something for studio work, has been a much requested feature set by our customers, and we're able to deliver that with the UE160. And it keeps getting better. You'll notice we have a 12G SPI out, and for workflow efficiency, the UE160, again, is groundbreaking. Not only do we offer full NDI in the UE160, but we also offer NDI HX. But that isn't what really separates it from all the others. What really separates it is we're the first in the industry, to my knowledge, that offers SMPTE 2110 as an option. So for those particular workflows, particularly in studios that are exploring or beginning to embrace the SMPTE 2110 IP workflow, this particular PTZ has that as an option. Again, in a PTZ. This is really groundbreaking for us, and the excitement that we're experiencing here at NAB New York is really, really awesome over that particular feature set. Now, the other thing we do, too, for our customers in the sports market is we now offer 120 frames high speed in HD. So this is something that we've never had on our PTZs. The sports market has requested it, so they can do some special slow motion effects, and the UE160 answers that particular call. So when we talk about the workflow flexibility of the UE160, it separates itself from any other PTZ in the marketplace today. Workflow flexibility, the performance of the PTZ itself, and the imager all make the UE160 a very exciting product for us at Panasonic as part of our 21 PTZs that we offer. There's a couple other things that we can talk about on the UE160 as time allows, is that it actually has a built-in horizontal level gauge in the built-in web GUI of the PTZ. So if you're quickly setting up the PTZ and you want to make sure things are all level, you can look at the web GUI, look at the horizontal level, and make sure you're spot on. This is something, again, that came as a big request from our customers, in particular in the rental and staging market. We also have a built-in waveform monitor on the UE160. So if you want to quickly check your lighting levels, you can look at the web GUI, you can see the waveform monitor on there and adjust your iris in accordance to what you're seeing your levels at. So all these type of feature sets really lends itself to a PTZ that's great in studio. But also for production work, we also have vlog output that we have on our UE150. For those particular productions that need that raw video out so that they can go back and then do some coloring on it, the vlog is really a welcome feature set on the UE160. So that kind of is a quick wrap on the UE160. It'll be shipping in February, but we're very excited to make this announcement at NAB New York. Go to our website. You'll see all the details there, and I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.